nothing. We should have let her have that nap.
I thought she was going to. She's still enjoying herself.
Relaxing from heat exhaustion in our back seat.
That's good that we've got this all on film now.
For those of you at the Department of Human Services,
It's a child abuse vlog. What have we done to our daughter today?
Say hi, Mommy. Say hi.
should be unconscious for YouTube, you know.
Sadie! Sadie! Ooh, it's bright.
You're gonna giggle like one of those girls on Girls Gone Wild, but in reality, you're like, oh, I know better. Are you pointing to me? Are you pointing to me? Are you pointing to me? You're pointing to the sun? Let us swim out here. Just get the camera ready. I'll get a shot for you. The moon's out early. There's so much of that I don't want to see. It's an Indian moon.